Hey, welcome along to another wax video. In this one we're going to be taking a look at the In2Detailing Crystal Ceramic Wax. Now I've got both versions here. They are virtually identical except this one smells better, so this is the cherry one. So we're going to have a look at this, see what it does, give our thoughts, and just for the sake of it being better smelling, I'm going to use the cherry. Let's begin. So this is the In2Detailing Ceramic Crystal Coating Wax. A budget-friendly, simple to use and durable option for those looking for a ceramic type protection for their car. At least that's what the supplier says, placing itself as a viable contender to the Fusso crown for only 2/3 the price. Does this wax stand a chance, or will it fall short? Let's talk through all the points. But before we do all that, please make sure you've subscribed, liked, disliked or commented on this video. It all helps us to grow, and we love reading your comments after each new upload. So, the review. Let's begin with value. The pot is 200 grams of wax with a free yellow foam applicator built into the tin. Along with this, it also comes supplied with a superior UFO style applicator and a zero finish cloth. Not bad at all for your 22 quid, and even cheaper still at sub 20 if you don't care if it smells like an industrial chemical. In2 claim a 4 to 5 month durability, which does fall short of the claimed 12 months from the Fusso alternative. This isn't, however, all bad. Remember that not only are you saving enough for a nice fish supper after a hard day's cleaning, but it actually is a reasonable amount of time to expect a quick coat of wax to last. But does it being cheaper mean that you'll have to compromise on ease of use? Amazingly, no. This wax is surprisingly simple to apply. A wet applicator helps to ensure a nice thin and even coat, and it even hazes slightly to indicate its cure time. I find this wax to be incredibly user-friendly, and I'm confident that you will too. The same goes for its removal. So what about the finish? I'd describe it as glassy, synthetic almost. It certainly doesn't glow with the warmth of a carnauba or the wetness of a montan. This is entirely a subjective opinion of whether or not it's right for you. But for me, I think it's important to have that crisp finish option in your kit bag, especially when whites and silvers are your main colours of waxing choice. Is the finish a nice one? Yes, absolutely. Is it the finish for you? Well, that's up to you too. So, we've talked about value, ease of use, durability and finish, but it has one more party piece up its sleeve, the beading. Like a proper full-blown ceramic, the beading on this wax is tremendous. The sort of thing you'll show your mates in work like it's some sort of witchcraft, and something you can have a crafty peek at as they roll satisfyingly up your bonnet on a dual carriageway. Bottom line is they're good. Very good. So, I hear you wondering, is it a Fusso beater after all? You've heard me sing its praises so far, but surely it can't be that perfect in all areas. Easy to use, nice finish, and durable all for less? Surely something is missing. Well, actually yes. It's missing something unquantifiable. It's missing a je ne sais quoi. It's missing a soul. But what does that even mean? Well, to be honest with you, before I explain, it may be something that you could care less about. Want great beading? Buy it. Want ease of use? Go ahead, get some. Want to bust the pot out and show your mates the magical elixir that makes your ride shine and water do acrobatics? Well, here's where I think it could do with some improving. It's true this wax doesn't place itself like some sort of boutique wax, one that deserves a premium on its price because it smells like Margot Robbie's cleavage and comes in a glass urn you'd be happy to put your nan's ashes in. But still, when you look at something like Fusso with its out there packaging and actual Japanese instructions on the tin, it carries a certain charm to it, a mystique that this one fails at. It has personality, it has a soul. Does this mean I wouldn't recommend this wax? Absolutely not. You should 100% buy some. I just wish that since it's done everything possible to knock out a big player like Fusso, that it was simply wearing a suit whilst it destroyed it, and not some faded grey joggers. Anyway, I've left the links for this below. If you end up trying it and posting on Facebook or Instagram about it, then please do tag us and tell us how you got on. We love hearing your thoughts, not just where you think we were right, but also where you think we were wrong and why. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I do hope you'll join us for the next one coming soon. Take care.